friends, it's me, Shae from Awesome Bird Videos. And so today we got challenged from some of our friends, Lexi and Kinsley. They wanted us to do the cotton ball challenge. So what you need is blindfolds, a big bucket of cotton balls, a spoon, and a regular bowl. So what's going to happen is someone's going to put the first blindfold on, and they're going to put the bowl on top of their head, and they only have 4 tries. They're going to put the spoon in the bowl and try to see how many cotton balls they can get in 4 scoops. So I'm going to start first. So here we go. So I'm going to put my blindfold on. First I need to get my thing and my spoon. And you get 4 scoops. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess I won. Okay, let's count the cotton balls. 1, 2. Okay, awesome friends, so I got 87 cotton balls, thankfully. So now it is
Mommy turn. Right,
Mommy Bird's.
Hey awesome friends, it's me, Mommy Bird. I'm gonna do the cotton ball challenge next. Okay, so here's my blindfold. This little. Okay, here's my ball.
We should do like bloopers. Huh?
Okay.
You can't even find your...
Okay, let me tell you an important note. Make sure you have your supplies, like your bowl and your spoon before.
You look like a little ninja.
Yeah. Get your supplies before you put on your blindfold, because otherwise it's really hard.
Okay.
Hair check. Am I looking right? Am I looking? Okay. All right. 4 scoops. I gotta like pull my sleeves up here.
It's very important.
Okay. It's very serious work I'm gonna do.
Very serious.
Okay. Got this. All right. Ready? Scoop number 1. Get a good one. It's really hard. I have no idea. Okay. Are there still some in there? You can't even tell. How many are in there? It's not funny.
Everything's falling out.
Shh.
Oh my gosh.
I'm trying to concentrate.
Oh my gosh.
There, it's the last one. It's the last one.
Oh my gosh.
Are there any in there left?
Yes.
Okay, I can't feel it. I have no idea how heavy it is.
Stop, Daddy. Stop. Seriously, stop. Oh my gosh. Okay.
What's Daddy doing?
Look how much you had.
This is crazy.
I know, that was on your second scoop. You got like the whole thing. And Momma Bird got 103. And bye, awesome friends. We had a great time today doing the cotton ball challenge. We want to challenge you guys to do the cotton ball challenge too. So leave a comment down below how many cotton balls you got. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't and hit that like button.